particular book, they talk about a section that goes this prevalent in the voodoo mysteries, and you get the word zombies. But we know you saw the movie Serpent in the Rainbow with Wade Davis, where they can take a person's soul, trap it in a ball, and make a zombie out of it. I'm not talking about that. In this particular case, they're not talking about zombies that are made based on somebody doing some magical tricks. They were talking about zombies, and when you get those New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck, and inside the superior book in the deck. You can get Sally Ann Glassman's book, Voodoo Visions, which is an excellent book. There's a section where they talk about a section of people, or a group of people, or a race of zombies. And when you think about that, you see where they're systematically breaking down black people compared to the people that's awake, which is very few, and regular common folks you call black folks as just zombies that you have had to deal with, which is talking about the unconscious person that don't want to know nothing. So in so many words, what we've been calling dead folks in the black conscious community, they call zombies. You see what I'm saying? Which coincides to movies like, new movies since 2003, 28 Days Later, Dawn of the Dead, Shaun of the Dead, City of the Dead. There's tons of these movies. House of the Dead. But it's always these mindless zombies, and in the one Land of the Dead, the last one, it had the zombies being led by a big black figure. You see what I'm saying? So, obviously, they're talking about something other than some magical operation that went on a person. They're talking about a certain group of people, zombies. And I'm like, this is profound. I'm looking at this book and I'm saying, well, this is happening before our eyes. We literally have zombies. And a zombie is something that has been turned into a zombie, not this particular case as a magical operation, but it is a magical operation when you talk about the civilization we live in and how society turns people into mindless zombies.